Today, I'm going to review Pockets Margarita, which I bought at Checkers Hyper, Vleerlaw, Bloemfontein. It's Pieman's product. It's a rather new product, not that new. I bought the packet with only 2 in it, $49.99. That's what it looks like. With this, the texture also makes a difference. So, and not just only in the taste. So let's taste what it tastes like and taste the texture as well. There it goes. Actually, very nice. This is a bit tough, but it's quite nice. The filling is very nice, I must say. I'm not 100% fond of the dough, the pizza dough, but it's alright. I rate it a 7.7 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all till next time.